Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to prepare these tostones. Oh my goodness, tostones are fried plantains and they're so delicious. Guys, I am going to serve these delicious fried plantains with some pork chops and a salad. And of course, we're going to have some wine. This is so easy to do, guys, and quick. So check this out. So let me show you guys how easy this is. Yes, it's easy. You're going to go ahead. You're going to buy green plantains, first of all, okay? They cannot be the brown ones. The brown ones are already ripe, okay? You're going to need some oil. Look how pretty, guys. Just look how pretty this evening. I am actually frying my plantains outside. I try not to do any frying in the house. Make sure, guys, that the oil is very hot, okay? And as you can see, I sliced the plantains. And pretty much, guys, this is like double fried plantains. They call them tostones because I'm going to fry them just a little bit, maybe a minute or two. Want to get them brown on each side. And then I'm going to smash them with a tostonera, okay? And I'm going to fry them again. They're so good, guys. So good. You have to keep an eye on these, guys. So I am just making sure that I don't burn them. You don't want to burn this, guys, okay? Again, 1 or 2 minutes. Depends. Mine is going to take a little longer because I am using this portable outdoor burner. It's going to do the job. Maybe a little slower, but it's going to do the job. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to start turning these around, making sure that they're nice and golden. Remember, we don't want to cook this completely, okay? We just want to make sure they're nice and golden. So, guys, here's my tostonera. And my husband Hector did this beautiful tostonera for me. So we're going to go ahead and put the plantain inside here, right in the middle here. Then we're going to go ahead and squish it, smash it, whatever you want to call it, guys. You're going to need a plate to rest your plantains. You're going to need some water as well. I'm going to put some paper towels on the actual plate here because we're dealing with oil, guys. It's going to be greasy. So here we go. See how pretty they look? They're nice and golden. Again, we don't want to overcook this because we're going to fry them again. But this is what you want, guys. So I'm going to go ahead, grab my tostonera, and I'm going to go ahead and put the tostone right in the middle. I'll grab this pretty one here. And you are going to slightly, okay, you got to be careful. It can't be so hard because sometimes they just go all over the place. They get all smooshy and it's so hard. So here you have it, guys. A pretty round tostone. Look how pretty this looks. And this is what you want. And we're going to repeat this process with all the other tostones. Easy, guys. Again, put it in the middle. Give it a little smash. Slightly. I like to use a fork or sometimes a knife because it tends to stick and we don't want that. Look how pretty, guys, this look. So, yes, we are going to fry these tostones again. And this is what you want, guys. And here's the trick. Here's some water. I actually put a little bit of salt in the water, okay? Just gonna dip it, okay? Make sure your oil is hot. And we're gonna fry these. And this might take a little longer. Again, it depends. These burners are not like the best. So it's gonna probably take a good maybe 4 to 5 minutes to do these batches of tostones. But you want them to be nice and crispy. And just take your time, guys. Just be patient. It's going to be worth it. And this is what you want, guys. Of course, I got the pork chops because I'm going to be serving these tostones with pork chop, guys. And this is such a quick meal, guys. Hassle-free. So, guys, here's my tostones. And this is what you want. They're nice and crunchy. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of salt. Even though I added a little bit of salt to the water when I dipped them before frying, I'm still gonna go ahead and add a little bit of salt. I'm not gonna be using any dip for my tostones, but you can use the classic ketchup and mayo dip. Delicious, guys. Now, guys, look how pretty this looks. I'm gonna be serving this with my favorite pork chops, simple little salad, and my tostones. Look how pretty this looks. You can also prepare these tostones as a snack, guys. Simple snack. Guys, I sure hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell so you guys don't miss out. Cheers.